Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am taking your exercise of chapter number 6, page number 31. Chapter name is Rules Are for Everyone, in which question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First one, our society works according to certain rules. The Constitution of Independent India abolished untouchability. Third one, wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. Question number 2, answer in one sentence. First one, why are rules made? Rules क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? Answer, rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done to anyone, which means भेदभाव is not done to anyone, and to combat inhumans and undesirable traditions and customs. Second one, which values have been a part of our social life since ancient time? Answer, the values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. पिछले ज़माने से हमारे we are following some kinds of values. First one is non-violence and second one is peace. Question number 3, what are the big obstacle in our society? Obstacle, रुकावट क्या है society में biggest? Answer, poverty and lack of education of women are the big obstacle in our society. Two main problems are there in our society. That first one is poverty, garibi, and lack of education of women. Question number 3, answer in short. Which unjust customs have been banned by laws? The answer is the unjust customs that have been banned by laws are. Here are some unjust customs, some activities that are banned by Indian government. First one is untouchability, caste discrimination, sati, child marriages, cheating people by magic, and receiving a dowry. Here are some things that are banned in India. Second question, why do we need to make laws for the protection of the environment? As we all know, environment is the main thing for us to live on earth. Here are some laws which are made to protect environment. Why we need to make the laws for protecting environment? Here are some reasons why we need to make laws for protection of the environment, because we are dependent on nature in many ways. Like we need water from environment, we need oxygen, we need a proper plants or proper crops for our food, we need some minerals and some fuels. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Third point, natural resources should be available in enough quantity for the needs of our future generation. So it's our duty to use the natural resources in a careful manner. Question number 4, can you tell? First one, can you tell some traffic rules? First one, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. You have to cross the road from the zebra crossing. It's a rule of traffic. Stop driving when the signal is red. You have to stop driving when the signal is red. You can add some to the list. You can also add some rules of traffic in your book. Give reasons why we should obey traffic rules. Answer, we should obey these rules so that we can avoid accidents. If we obey truly these traffic rules, so accidents can be prevented, accidents can be avoided. Third one, how will you answer the question? Don't girls need an nutrition diet as it gives to boys? Answer, of course. Both girls and boys both need a nourishing diet during their growing age, and both must be treated equally without any gender barriers, which means both boys and girls need the equal amount of nourishing food and nutrition food. No discrimination is there. Question number 4, in what other ways do you feel there is discrimination between boys and girls? Answer, boys are allowed to receive higher education, they are given better facilities, they are allowed to be out of the house late of the night without the time restriction, and they are not forced to do household chores like girls. Here is activity for you to do at home. Make a list of the rules you follow in the following situations. At the time of school assembly, you have to make a row according to your height. During the lunch break, you have to recite the dua first, then you'll start your lunch. On the playing ground, don't you don't have to push anyone in the ground. In school library, you have to sit down properly or very silently in the library. There are you have to write some rules under this situation in the school, as I give you the example of that. That it's for today, and you have to note down this activity in your notebook. Thank you.